Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Gardening with SNKM. If you love indoor plants but don't want to wait months to see results, this video is just for you. Today I'm sharing 18 fastest growing indoor plants that grow quickly, look beautiful, and are perfect for beginners as well as plant lovers. These plants add greenery, freshness, and indoor air purifying plant to your home in no time. So let's start the countdown. Number 1. Pothos, money plant. Pothos is one of the fastest and easiest indoor plants to grow. It grows rapidly in water or soil, needs very little care, and looks great in hanging baskets or shelves. Number 2. Jade Plant. The jade plant grows steadily and becomes bushy with proper sunlight. It's low-maintenance, elegant-style decorative indoor plant and air purifier as well. Number 3. Spider Plant. Spider plant grows super fast and produces baby plants quickly. It's perfect for hanging pots and also helps purify indoor air. Number 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera grows quickly in bright light and gives you baby plants regularly. It's useful for skin care, hair care, and home remedies. Number 5. Snake Plant. Snake plant is almost unkillable. It grows well even in low light and improves air quality while adding a modern look to your space. Number 6. Lucky Bamboo. Lucky Bamboo grows fast in water and soil. It's great for desks, offices, and its decor air purifier plant. Number 7. Velvet Plant. The velvet plant grows quickly with bright light and has beautiful purple-green leaves that stand out in indoor decor. Number 8. Ficus Plant. Ficus plants grow fast indoors with good light. They're excellent for living rooms and give a tree-like appearance. Number 9. Dumb Cane, or Dieffenbachia. This plant grows tall and lush very quickly. Its big, patterned leaves instantly make a space look green and fresh. Number 10. Maidenhair Fern. Maidenhair Fern grows fast in humid conditions and adds a soft, elegant look to your home garden. Number 11. Cordyline Plant. Cordyline grows quickly and adds color with its red, pink, or green leaves. It's great for bright indoor spots. Number 12. Rubber Plant. Rubber plant is a fast grower with large, glossy leaves. It looks premium and improves indoor air quality. Number 13. Peace Lily. Peace Lily grows fast, blooms beautiful white flowers, and is excellent for air purification. Number 14. Wandering Jew, or Tradescantia. This plant grows extremely fast and spreads beautifully, perfect for hanging pots and colorful indoor decor. Number 15. Arrowhead Plant, or Syngonium. Arrowhead plant grows quickly and changes leaf shape as it matures. It's perfect for tabletops and shelves. Number 16. Turtle Vine. Turtle Vine spreads fast and works great as a ground cover or hanging plant indoors. Number 17. Zebra Haworthia. Zebra Haworthia is a fast-growing succulent that stays compact and stylish, perfect for small pots. Number 18. ZZ Plant. ZZ Plant grows steadily and thrives in low light. It's extremely low maintenance and ideal for busy people or home as well. So friends, these were the 18 fastest growing indoor plants you can easily grow at home for quick greenery and beautiful results. Tell me in the comments which plant is your favorite or already growing in your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gardening with SNKM for more indoor plant tips and home gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, stay green, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.